The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport continues the legacy of elite performance and craftsmanship. From the first glance, the car's commanding presence is undeniable. Its sculpted front end features aggressive air intakes and a sleek horseshoe grille that directs airflow with purpose. The elongated body hints at the car's 273 mph top speed, while the LED headlights carry a sharp, modern signature. The comfort level inside the Chiron Super Sport is astounding. Bolstered sport seats are covered in premium hides, providing support at high speeds and comfort on long drives. They're fully adjustable, heated, and adorned with contrast stitching and subtle Bugatti emblems. The dashboard is a minimalist masterpiece. A central spine flows between the seats, housing intuitive controls and drive mode selectors. A digital cluster presents performance data in real time, while the infotainment remains discreetly integrated. Under the hood, the 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine roars with 1,578 horsepower. Acceleration is brutal yet refined, with a 0 to 60 mph time under 2.4 seconds. At the rear, or front, a massive diffuser and active spoiler enhance aerodynamics and downforce. The quad exhaust setup not only looks fierce but unleashes a symphonic growl, reminding everyone this is a Bugatti bred for speed and prestige.